guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to meet you guys again for a new video, and today we are going to talk about Gucci Ace male version. But today will not be white color, it would be black. So now before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Brown, and for all those who want to know more about this shoe, you just contact me because I will leave my contact on the description below. So now let's get started. You see, this is the box, and the Gucci's were printed here. You see also on the box here there are vertical lines, and here the box is creamy white. It's not actually white. Okay, so when you open the box, you have a dust bag. This is the dust bag. You see Gucci's were printed on the dust bag here, and you see vertical lines also. That's it. You can check that there. And on this dust bag, this pad is also creamy white. It's same as on the box. You see? So these are some other accessories. You have these cards, this card, the receipt, and in this receipt you have your name, the address of the customer, the description of the shoe, and everything here. Okay, and here is the extra lace. Okay, that's the extra lace. Now let's open the box and get the shoe out. This is the male version. That's why maybe the box was big. See, the color is black. And you see here on the heel is the green leather color with the Gucci well printed there. And you'll see that the stitchings are very good, immaculate, and very nice. No mistakes, because this is man-made shoe. It's not made by machine. You see, that's why it's very precise. Okay, and when on the tongue here, you see the serial number of the shoe and the size of the shoe. Okay, and inside here you see Gucci made in Italy in the insole. The outsole here you see Gucci made in Italy, word embossed here, and you see the sign under the shoe. That's how it is. And the black lace. Okay, same as on this one. You see the G, both the two G's. See, and here is red leather. Gucci's were printed there. See that there? You see how precise it is. Okay, and inside here too you have the serial number and the size of the shoe. And here in the insole you have the logo Gucci made in Italy, well embossed there. Okay, that's all about this shoe for today. Thanks for watching. For all those who want to know more about this shoe, you can just contact me and I will tell you everything about it. I will leave my contact on the description below. Thanks for watching. I will give you a close look video on this shoe.
What's up? What's up?